This is what I called you're invited to a self-discovery journal. O, diba? Ayan. Guest for tonight. She is one of the most controversial. O, diba? Another person who is very regular in ICPIT, one of the members of a Triple Treat or Triple Threat. Please welcome the wonderful Miss Wishy!
Oh my
Can you hear
goodness.
me?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, Sissy Koi and everyone? Like, it's always like my first time. So, like, hello, everyone. As you heard, the most controversy, I don't know why.
So this is what I call self-discovery cards. I'm pretty sure you've seen this before. We're gonna answer some questions based on these cards. And, ayan, ito yung mga katanungan, ha? So there's 3 in here that you can actually figure out. I'm gonna give you color. You're gonna give me a color. Do you want orange, yellow, blue, gray, or green?
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh my gula, you pick emotional damage. I tell you. Emotional intelligence. No,
Natakot na.
it's emotion. Of course, yellow. So we're gonna play the emotional intelligence cards. I have cards here. Miss Universe number 1. Miss Universe.
Take note, I am not really intelligent. Yeah, when it comes, I call myself as a bobo, means bobo. But I'm trying to learn, guys. Bear with me.
Yes, that's
Like when you
true.
see my answer way far to the questions, you probably get it. That's Michi.
So this is the cards, and I'm gonna choose one for you, Wishikoi, and then we're gonna answer it. Okay. What story about yourself are you ready to let go for good? Ooh, I like this question.
I think being broken heart, this is the story that I need really to let go. So, as you've seen, this is the most controversy ever been. I've always been in this controversy. But guys, this is only online. Never met me in person, never touched me. So they never know the real me. So I probably let this is the story that I want to let go and write a new chapter.
And this is from Timmy, and I do agree with that. We all has a bobo time before we become wise. Exactly. And this is the reason when I say stupid, and I had this conversation before also with she. It's like there's a difference between stupid where you don't want to learn. And I always tell you about this to yourself. Don't cut yourself short because you have the character where you want to learn. So it's only going to be you who are going to limit yourself if you stop learning. Always question, always try to learn more, open your mind, lawakan ng pangunawa. Remember that? Ayan. I always will remember her saying that. Lawakan ng pangunawa. Her go-to. Being heartbroken. Can you say that as a friend, I would replay your live stream and you would talk about the heartaches, the heartbroken. When you say let go, what does it mean for you?
It's mean like let go of things which is really not meant to be mine. Hindi na alam kung ano yung karugtong.
Let go further on that one. So when you let go, it means you would want to forget. Hindi lang sa salita, pati sa gawa. What are the steps you are willing to take to make sure that you let go? Kumbaga talagang binitawan mo na, hindi mo na uungkatin, hindi mo na babalikan. Paano mo masasabi sa sarili mo na let go mo na?
Well, I'm not choosing this certain person. Probably that's why when the person is not to be me in my life. When it comes to relationship and friends, they're not really meant to be in my life. So they're getting a lot of energy from me. So I need to let go that stuff. It's not only about relationships. So when it comes to relationships, I'm still on has still a chance, a positive way through long distance relationship. I mean, seeing the person in front of me, probably, yeah, that's the things that I've learned from now. Like on long distance, like it's kind of like a fantasy. You're just fantasizing the person. I'm not. I have this already kind of personality that I love myself so much, and I learned to say it's just a long distance. There is no truth in this one. So yeah, I think that's what I learned.
Tanggap na tanggap sa sarili. I love myself.
I love
Yeah.
myself.
I love myself. I love myself so much. Yeah.
I
So
love
much pride. I love it. See, guys. Okay, and I love this girl. She's gonna make you smile. So, the next question for you. Okay, Miss Universe. Ayan. Love your pigtails always. Wink, wink. Arigato, arigato. Wink, wink. Wishikoi's hair represent.
Okay.
We both have pigtails, guys. So, this is Ayun. Next question. Under emotional intelligence. How authentic is your life right now? Ooh la la. This is so deep questions. I like it. I hope this is asked on me. Okay. How authentic is your life right now? Gaano katotoo at authentic? What is the Tagalog for authentic? Authentic is your life right now.
Out of 10, I learned to love things. Really, I learned to love things which is I can't have. What I'm being contented. So, being a province lady, probably you don't know, guys, as I am a province lady. I'm sometimes cooking in a wood. You won't believe that because I look like some arty. Yeah, like I embrace everything around me. I start like to loving new people offline than online. So that's all I can say. When it comes to everything, like I'm starting to socialize, not too much online like way before, because it's kind of when you have this online partnership, your eyes are always online. Oh my gulay. So I think yeah, that's it.
So, authentic is Tagalog tunay. Gaano katunay? Tunay ang buhay mo ngayon. Wow naman talaga, ang deep ano. You learned that one. So, with you saying these things, when you say you are contented, does that mean like before now, yung dati? Will you say that you are so strayed into superficial stuff? How do you make a difference of what you were saying right now that you are more contented? Is there deeper meaning beyond that?
Difference between before and now. So I probably tell you guys, in my young age, I am very ambitious. When it comes to ambitious, I'm not go for a high goal. I am very competitive when it comes to my. I had passings. Yeah, it's not a bad things. Like it's not actually a crab mentality, but like it's inspiration. Like competitive. Oh, she have this one. She has a good life. I should have a good life also. Like for me, I seen it as an inspiration. So I will do this one also for myself. I always failed, guys. I'm always failed when it comes to that kind of ambition, and I did everything, but yeah, it never. So the difference is I have my peace now, and I may not live what I want, but I mean, being contented and happy with it and embrace it. I think that is the best feeling I ever had in my life. I told you guys, I started to love myself because of that. Way back before in a past relationship, I felt bad for myself. Will I call it a manipulations? Kinda close to that one. So, but and I learned, and I love myself. That's the more important.
I feel like anytime she's going to cry, it's like, are you okay with she?
Yeah.
In what you have said with me, one of the things that I felt when I say controversial in my intro is because I've said this before, and we can always agree to disagree with this. But I always feel like you were so misunderstood because of how you expressed yourself. And sometimes I would even like scold you or like sermon, kumbaga. Like try to express more, like the way you want to be understood. Try to apply and practice how you would express it where you won't get misunderstood. So in this type of way, are you still in the point of your life where you feel like you need more? You need to understand more of yourself, or you are already
Is
you
it going
already know who you
buffering?
are?
It's really
Yeah.
buffering. Can you repeat back, ma'am, please?
Oh, yes. Of course, of course. So I'm gonna make it short now. Ayan, guys. What you have said earlier. So before, this is who you are, and then you are being misunderstood in my kind of way. But is there any explanation or understanding for yourself. Why do you think you are misunderstood?
Why do I think I got misunderstood? Because, this is what I've seen, guys. It's not all about my fault anymore. Mostly people who love gossip, who love drama, they are on that side who says this one. Because, of course, this is my story. I'm going to be nice. So they're listening to that story, to that side. So they're not asking to others to the other side. So this is always my problem before, guys. I'm scared to go out. I'm scared to answer. I don't know how to say some words. I am not a lawyer. That's all I can say. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know. I even asked a friend, can you give me some advices? What can I say? What can I do? I need someone to back up me, to say something behind me. But now I am strong enough to face all those people that really, I don't owe them an explanation, but I think I need to stand on myself. So when it comes to that, I'm very selective because I'm getting more mature on YouTube, I guess. I become selective. I don't go to the place where I used to, which is I can't learn something. When you say learning, and I never stop learning, and so proud of myself. I love myself again.
So let's go to the chat for a bit. I like this one. You don't need to explain yourself to everyone. It doesn't matter if people misunderstand you. As long as you understand yourself and you know you are doing or what you are doing, you are taking accountability on it, then that's not your problem, which is one thing that I do apply for myself. So with that
Exactly.
being said, my follow-up question for that, Wishikoi, do you exactly know who Wishy is, and can you introduce that to us in your own words?
Who is Wishy is?
Walang bola-bola ha?
Who is Wishy is? Introduce myself?
Yes. Yes. Walang bola-bola.
Okay. No bola bola. Okay. Um, well, I am Wishy, guys. When you start seeing me before, I might start smart in life, real life, street smarts they call. But when it comes to talking, I'm really, I don't know. When I start back, I don't even say a lot of words. I just go and laugh and always tell me best, Miss Many best. I don't know how to say something best. You can do this. So I'm glad YouTube taught me a lot. I learned how to talk. I learned how to stand on my own. No one is protecting me. Really, ever since no one's protecting me, I protect on my own. Because there is in this YouTube platform, there is kind of group protecting their friend. But with me, I stand on my own. I am so happy and lucky that I have a real friends aside from YouTube, and I do love them to death. I may not call myself like very smart, intelligent, but at least like I'm here learning and trying to listen and understand the words and the meaning of it. I thank you.
Natawa naman ako sa I thank you. Oh, diba? We're not supposed
This
to
is
make Wishy nervous, but I always feel this, and the chat do agree. Sometimes you would call yourself bobo or stupid, and I think we are all stupid. When a person says he's not stupid at something, that's bullshit.
and take
We're all
note, Sissy
stupid at
Koy.
something.
I was being called
Yes.
nonsense, low class and nonsense. Yeah, and that words inspired me to do more, to change my outfit.
How so? How so? Okay, let's talk a little bit about that. I like that one. So how so did you change your outfit
Okay,
in Wishy's universe? How does Wishy
I
change
was
her
I was
outfit?
when it changed my outfit. I was joking about that. Actually, my outfit in province is really different. I use it only for the show, guys. As you seen it, our outfit in the province. You probably know, like Bess. She knows that what kind of outfit if you are in just a province. So this is like YouTube. That when it comes to outfit, like wearing clothes, formal clothes, it depends on the occasion. Actually, the person who called me like that, she's way more low class. The way you talk, I think for me, the high class is not about how you wear clothes, but the way you talk and the way you belittle others. It's already a called low class person or low class personality. Am I right, Sisikoy?
Yes. As what Alan Jackson's song lyrics said, the older I get, the fewer friends I have, but you don't need a lot when the ones that you got have always got your back. What does your inner child want you to? Oh my gulay, this is going to be a deep one. What does your inner child want you to acknowledge?
When actually, like, I feel sick, when
Hmm.
something that I'm like, I can't find, I mess out, like, I I do, like, I cry like baby. Like, this is the, like, yeah, oh my goodness, this is the thing, like, I'm sick, I can, like, same as baby, I do that. Yeah, aside from that, yeah, I am not a brave person, really. All I can say, I'm not brave. But when you hurt my family, or when you do something, you probably know who I am. When it comes to the family, I am very brave.
So we have an answer in the chat. Anubis the Gamer Mystery Machine says, my inner child wants me to acknowledge that I was not actually special needs, but I was in fact surrounded by stupid adults that didn't understand. I like that one. I like that one. So next question. Ayan. Candidate number 1. Oh, diba? Again. Yes. To what extent are you able to be vulnerable with your emotions? To what extent? Vulnerable.
With my emotion. Tagalog mo,
Yes.
Tagalog mo. I need Tagalog.
Ibig sabihin, gaano, to what extent? Ano ba yung extent sa Tagalog?
Gaano kahaba?
Kahaba. O, diba?
Ang pasensya?
Mahaba. I think you've answered this one. Yes.
I think this is one of my problem, that I'm easy to get attached. I don't know, but I am working on this one. When it comes to connection, especially having a friends, even though it's a friends, really, guys, I have that kind of emotion. So when it comes to a relationship or talking to someone, like, give me a week. Like, I think this is the things that I want to control, but I don't know when. But I am working on this one.
I want to go deep on that one. It's like when you talk about being attached, this is almost like a personal question for me. But when you say attached, does that mean you fall in love fast? Is that what you mean?
Not really fall in love, because, like, love, I believe when you see the person, when you hug them and love them. But I mean, I'm starting to like the person, and this is hard for me. Being broken heart, I call it already broken heart, even it comes to friends or relationship. I know this is the things that I need really to change, and I'm getting hard. So that's why as of now, I never go there with someone, because I want to make sure that I am into, once I am started it, I am into the person that I'm sure. I know I still not so sure, because it's gonna be an online. If ever online, I'm not sure the person really is into me, like chasing me, not I'm chasing him. So this is always I want. Guys, you might see me and chasing you, but actually you're not my choices. I'm gonna choose the person who chase me, because oh, Sisika, don't laugh. You know what? Yeah, I don't want to chase the person who doesn't like me. I want to like the person. I want to be the person who chases me, and I have assurance, really, this person is like me too much. Who knows? Yeah, because I'm always in that kind of situation. Like, people thought when I'm chasing and I'm type teasing, they thought really I'm into them. No, my choice is gonna be different. When it comes to love life, it's gonna be different. It's not what I want. Always my choice.
Sana all.
Sana all.
No, but I was just like, I'm sorry if I laugh. The way you said it is like, no, I'm not chasing you. I have options. It's like, yeah, that's the wishy I know of.
Yeah,
I don't want myself to be on the choices list. See, this
guys,
is what
don't be like that. Don't take things personally, yeah.
And all I know for sure is that Wishy discriminates against the guapo in the community. Are you discriminating all the guapo in the community, Wishy?
It's too much guapo, like, it's a headache. But yeah, it's just a joke, okay? As I've said, every one of you guys have different good-looking plus serious, loyal. That is a big plus. But most handsome guy, okay? This is very true. Most handsome guy Is Playboy, because there's a lot of stupid woman chasing up.
Hello, he's so hot, baby. Let's go.
Oh, they don't even think that man is already taken. So yeah, there is a reason behind that. Yeah. Anyway, not
But
all, okay?
yes, still try to figure out what I'm stupid at, thinking I may be ignorant to some things, but never stupid. I guess I'm bullshit, but that's also true. Like, ignorant and stupid, I guess there's a huge difference about it as well. Yes, so that is true as well. Not true. So I've heard about this. I've heard about you saying this over and over again for the past 1 year, almost like 1.5 years of knowing you, Wishikoy, right? We're going to 2 years now. But
No, I should
why
be married.
no?
I should be
Why
married
no?
before 2 years. I should get married.
But no, but anyways, okay. Before that happens, okay. I'm just saying the past moments I've been with you, you've been always saying this. When it comes to like good looking people, and I'm not trying to pry on your privacy, but the things that you only wants to share anyways, okay? Is there something in your past relationship? Why do you think that handsome people is going to be playboy?
Okay, let's talk not online because I have a past relationship. It's online. He is really playboy and he changed in front of me. So when I first meet him, my friend said, "Oh, this guy's playboy. Don't play with him." So he changed. Of course, he showed me a good things. Change. But as you went years, yeah, I can't blame. Like he is working with a beautiful lady. So yeah, temptation is there. So and that scares me. I'd rather be with ugly men. Ugly men. Loyal and love me so much. Like yeah, no headache
Mm.
because when it's difficult, guys. Heart is difficult to fight. Brain versus heart. Oh my goodness, guys. You can't even eat even one stick of rice. You cannot eat it because of this stupid. So yeah, when it comes on offline, yes, I had experienced that one. When it comes to online, I don't know if I can call that a relationship. I think I only love myself at that time. So
So speaking of
it's not a
online
relationship.
relationship, because everything is subjective nowadays, and this is just agree to disagree, everyone. But for you, Wishikoi, with you having both experiences, what does online relationship means for you?
Okay, let me breathe properly. Okay, guys. Actually, I know when and where to happen. So based on my first relationship, I don't see any future. You know what is future? What I'm trying to say, there is no chance I can meet this person in real life because I'm also a person I want to dig in because that's how the first I started long distance relationship. So when I dig in, the person really can't travel. So like plus I'm getting annoying by a man which is calling all the time. I'm getting annoyed. I want like one day, twice a day, maybe some short conversation. Probably for me it's fine. I don't like 24/7. I'm sleeping and still video call. That's kind of you can yeah, you put nails like, ooh, are you going out for date? For me, like online jealousy is fine. You can still hide, but I mean, there is no future. You can see the person is really traveling. They always said, it's gonna be on Wishy's problem. I don't think so. I had past 7 years long relationship in person, so I don't think so. That's a problem. You stay through online, stay through online. It's gonna be like fake relationship. It's only a fantasy, but if you are courting and you are really serious, why not buy a ticket and go travel? Stop blah blah online. Like, am I mad? Sorry.
No, you're just passionate about it, Ayan. But you are learning. You are learning. I think that's what it was. Another people in the chat, they also disagree, not because they're guapo, it means they're playboy. So there's a lot of disagreement in the chat right now. Another question for you before I let you go, Wishikoy. Ayan. How can you turn your biggest regrets and disappointments into powerful learning experiences? Good questions.
I
This
think
part.
if I can turn back the time, I probably not hooked in that long distance relationship before. I still could have my career, still could fulfill my dreams that I wanted. Like yeah, I think that is the thing that I want to turn back bring back that. But if I just know what's my future, guys, I'd never follow that. Yeah, it's very. I think this is the very very sad things. That you can't track the time, you can bring back the time. So they're just part of you. This is your wishes. So I just embrace that one. And what is the most important is I'm learning and learn to embrace and love what I can have and being contented. And I found my peace, which is my home, Philippines. Sana all.
Oh, diba? So you mean to tell me you have this epiphany, as they called it, when it's like you want something and you're in a journey where you are accepting of where you are right now and this is okay for you. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, yes. And I'm okay and happy with it. If there is one person coming and there is nothing to change with this shit. If you love me, you will gonna love for being who I am. And I don't want you to change me. And that's it. Wow.
Wow, ayan. I always tell this as well with Shikoy. And since you are here right now and you can actually pay attention to me right now, I always advocate about when they talk about changing.
You cannot change me. This is who I am, blah, blah, blah.
And for me, there's a level of where there's a thin line between being delulu, being a crone, that you are this person and you cannot change this. But is there any point in there that you also do understand that sometimes in order for a good relationship to be better, there are things that you have to change? What are the things you are willing to change and what are the things that you are not willing to change? Is there any examples you can give us and share us?
I think there is nothing to change. All probably can tell. But for me, adjustment, that's probably 100%. We need to adjust, especially when you have a foreign partner. The adjustment should be there. But changing, there is nothing to change. I would want to love you for being who you are, especially religions. I don't like talking about religion. So that's why I've always said, this is I am, and you have to accept, and this is yours, and I have to accept you. That's our boundaries. But when you want me to change it, just to follow you, well, it's not gonna be work. So not totally changed, but adjustments, because blending to another countries is different. But well, I am here, guys. I work outside the country, which is international. So means it's kind of bit adjustment only with myself that I can brag, that I can cook pasta.
Before I let you go, is there any flaws that future suitors, future wannabe husbands, future wannabe boyfriends for Wishy, is there anything that we don't know yet that you want to share now? What is the flaw of Wishy that you're willing to share with all of us?
Okay, all I can say, Wishy is single, ready to mingle with the right person. So if you are not willing, that's all I can share. 100% single. I have my Cinnamar, that is very clear, but I just want simple guy, doesn't make me cry. That's all I need, please. If you are not serious, not ready to commit a true relationship, don't get in my messenger. I'm gonna slap your bum bum.
Oh, wow. Is that her flaws?
I
Being single and ready to mingle. That's the flaws?
oh my God.
Flaws.
Pangit pala.
No, it's like it's just a wonderful fun because I know you get more nervous when it's too serious. So I just want it to be more fun for you, okay? Like, what is the flaw of Wishy na pwede mong i-share na hindi pa namin alam?
I'm actually maldita.
Oh, bitch.
Yes, I am friendly, laughing, but I am very maldita when it comes to the thing, and I'm very strict. When it comes to food, cooking, I am very, very strict. I don't know. That's very me. I think it's not bad. But when it comes to personality, I'm maldita. I might laugh, smile, very kind, but please don't take advantage on that one. I can't be a devil. Depend how you treat me. I bow. Arigato. That's what always I've said. Wish is learning. I'm not perfect for everything. I am not a high school graduate, but I'm here to learn. So when I have this one, like this one, I love like people teaching me, not laughing on me. So when you like laugh on me, like making fun of me, that's kind of like, you have a day for me.
You know that when I laugh, I just laugh. It's not coming from a bad place. I
Yeah,
just
I
hope
know.
you know that.
I know.
I'm gonna palo your boom boom, ha? If you think I'm laughing, we can laugh at each other, Wishikoy. You can laugh at me whenever you want to. It's fine. It's fine. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for this, Wishikoy. I know you have problems sometimes with your internet connections, and I'm happy that you're still my friend. Hoping I am before 2 years. You're also part of the club. Anything you want to share, anything you want to promote, the floor is yours. Red carpet is here for you.
Oh, thank you so much, Bestie, for loving me, for always there for me. I know, I'm only a human. I made mistake. Maybe I say some words you don't like, but sometimes I forgot that I'm hurting people also. So I'm very sorry about that. And you can always teach me. I'm here to listen and learning. So when I did things really mistake, and I am so thankful to Miss Rose also for like always there to help me out, to help me to teach me what to do, what is right and what is wrong. So this is just I've always said I'm only a human. I did mistake a lot, not only a little. Anyway, thank you so much. See you around, everyone. Much love and happy anniversary, Sisikoy. Bye bye.
Aw, thank you, Odiba.
Yeah,
Thank you, Wishikoy. And I always believe in you. Do not ever, ever cut yourself short. You have so much potentials in there. And we're just here anytime you need anything. Not anything, not any time of the day. Anything. We're here. We're one call away from you. Okay? Ayan. So thank you for this. And I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
bye,
And the
Sisikoy. I love you. Happy 4th year
Bye.
anniversary.
So please do not forget, guys, to check on Wishikoy, Miss You'd Wish. Become channel member of Miss You'd Wish channel for exclusive silent smiling scenes with music. So is it me? Hold on.
Is
Let
it
me see.
me? Hello, is it
Is it
me? I know
me you're looking
you.
for? Oh my god. Wait.
I don't know if it is from me or yeah, guys. Can
Right.
you say
Yes.
something? Is it mine?
So no, there's nothing. Okay. Okay. It's all good. All good. We're good. Can you hear me?
I
Ah,
love
that's
that
nice.
outfit.
So
I love the green
this
colors.
oh, thank you.